What is going on, guys? This is Chan from Chan's Daily Hustle. Give you guys a little update. I haven't uploaded a vlog for maybe a week. Life's just been busy. Life's been hectic. A lot of changes coming into business, and it's just been crazy. I've been traveling to Maine for some business trips and stuff like that. I think I've been there twice. Yeah, I've been there twice. We're going again. June 22nd, I'll be driving all the way to Maine, from Jackson to Maine. It's going to take me like, I don't know, a day and a half, 2 days to get there. But you guys be on the lookout for the Daily Hustle truck and as I travel through your state. So follow my Instagram page and Facebook page. I'll put the link down below in the description. I post a lot more stuff on there before I put stuff on YouTube. And so if you guys want to follow up, check where I'm at and stuff, that's where you need to be at. And so today's Father's Day, you guys. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there that are hustling and doing their best to take care of their family, you guys. Take care of the kids, you know. It's very important. And yeah, happy Father's Day. Give you guys a little update. Bree's last day is this coming week. I think it's this coming Friday. Her last day. She's going to be moving on to another job closer to home, and so we're going to miss her. We're going to lose another one, but life goes on. We got to keep it moving, and so we hired another gal that's going to be starting, I think, the 27th. And so it's tough to lose Bree, but it's part of life, guys. Part of life. And so got a new printer, you guys, t-shirt printer. Check this out, like that. I'll have this new Daily Hustle shirt. As you can see, I'm wearing it. I'm available soon. I did have it up on our website and stuff, but we're going through a process where I want the right shirt to print on, so, and that's comfortable and feels good. And so we're gonna do up some samples and stuff, and once we get it honed down to the shirt that we like and want, then we're gonna start producing shirts, printing shirts. So if you guys haven't seen it, check out my Daily Hustle TV other channel, my second channel. Go check that out. That's where I do the behind the scenes and reviews and stuff of the equipment that we just got here. It's a mess in here because as I've been down here just testing this machine out. That being said, you guys, enjoy the vlog. I don't know how far behind I am on the vlog, but I'm gonna upload the footage that I have. I think the last footage I uploaded was I took a trip to Maine. And we did some work there and helped out our friends at Landscape Supply Center. Guys, enjoy it, and yeah, we'll talk to you later. Noon. I got to get everything ready too. I'll go down and check out the project this morning. Would you guys wear something like this? Yeah. This hat?
Not working.
Yeah. Would you guys wear a hat like this? Okay, I'll make some more. All right, guys. So the crew's all back. This morning I gotta leave to I need to leave to Maine today, noon, so I gotta get the guys all started. Need the fork at all? There should be caps here, Michael, those 3-inch. So I'll get the guys all started here. They got a few caps. Yeah, there's some there. I'll have to get another pallet too. How many you need? About 4 or 5? Gotta get everything situated here. I gotta leave at noon.
Oh, not yet. You want to just take this truck?
Take both of them.
Take both?
Yeah, don't you guys need gravel or what you guys need? Anything?
Well, we don't need nothing right now.
Okay.
We'll just take that, load the forks up in that one.
Yeah. What time does that place open? The DMV?
What place?
DMV. I gotta get.
8 or 8:30.
Okay, I gotta get tabs for this sucker before I leave. I'll be gone to Maine until Sunday. So the guys gotta hold it down. They'll be all right here, holding it down. Waiting for Ashley to come in, and then we're gonna head down to the job site. Check up on the guys. Not that they need to be checked up, but I just want to see the project going on before I leave. And yeah, just it still gets me a little nervous to leave, but I know that it'll be okay. They'll be okay for today and 2 more days, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. The gals, they got so much to do. They got work. So I gotta get this set up for them. Let's see here. If it will turn on. Okay, it's on. Cash drawer is connected. Let's see here. Go to settings. Amy said the receipt thing won't print, or the printer won't print. Let's print test this. There we go. Okay, we're good. That works. Amy's Denali is in the shop. Again, the transmission. Oh, I took her Denali and her transmission sensor is out, so it's got to get fixed. But luckily, it's under warranty. We got warranty until 100,000 miles or until this December, you guys. I'm glad it happened now. So, morning, bud. How are you?
No one's gonna scare me today?
Huh?
Oh, good.
What?
Just making sure no one's gonna scare me today. He says Ashley's gonna scare you again.
Hi. Dad's gonna be gone for a few days. You know? Scare her first. Get Bree, since they scare everybody. I'll let you know when she's coming. No, I'll move out. Not coming yet.
I like how the camera's set up right now too. I literally like. I knew you were gonna be there too. I looked over the place, I didn't see you at your desk. I looked over like that. Good morning.
Get me either. Darn it.
She didn't get
No,
fishy trapped.
I'm getting in the loop.
I did like jump a little bit.
Paul said when we pulled in today, he's like, Ashley's gonna scare you. Like, oh, you think so? So he had to come and check out by the wall.
That's funny.
No, she's not gonna scare you today. Oh, well, I'm gonna scare her today.
No, I don't know. I
Jeez.
thought you sure said Star Wars after.
All right. I'm surprised they didn't have caps.
Oh, those are some nice pallets.
Yeah,
When you're done.
that's $20 a pallet. Guys are rolling, rocking and rolling. Good. Manyang. Okay. She keeps digging, just should be good. Yeah, just back it up. Yeah, just go back. Okay. So we gotta pull, we're gonna save this tree, but the rest we're gonna pull out. And then the retaining wall is gonna go up here. And then we got steps we gotta build. And then a little seating over here for the grandkids, a patio. And so, let's come over here. The guys are starting to prep on the base for the patio. Now, right here, as you can see, look at that, a little water still sitting there. So, steps done. Starting to squeeze that. Get that in. So it is coming together. Right there. Love the steps. I just wish it would dry up a little bit. None but mud, 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 mud. I gotta put the tabs on the guy's truck before I leave here. Go put some tabs on. Make sure we're legit here. I don't know how any other state does it, but we have tabs here we gotta buy every year. This ran me about 150 bucks. Every year you gotta get it tabbed. Okay. You gotta get tabs and then you gotta get DOT. There's always something. But in order to run a business, you need all that stuff. So, 2020 tab. Next year it'll expire again. Then need another one. All right, should be good. All right, we're gonna head back, and then I gotta get packed, and then Amy and I are gonna head out to Sioux Falls, get on the plane, where I am. So, guys are doing good on the project. And it's looking good.
She's trying to get the mud off her feet?
Yeah. It was bad.
I bet because it rained.
Yeah.
I had no idea it rained.
She didn't know it rained.
I slept right through
Are you
it.
tracking in?
No.
Did you
That's
scrape it
not
off your
beef.
feet?
Did we land the job for that guy, Jose?
I know what color he wants.
Okay.
Once he tells me what color, I'm making the order.
Because what did he say? He said,
Messaged him back.
He said,
Okay.
he said those were great.
is it bad?
Oh my god.
What
Putting tags on it?
Slightly. What does it say?
Nice. So Ashley's putting tags on the shirts. We are trying to get a system down that so that people know the price and stuff instead of guessing every time somebody wants something. So we just make it clear. Makes it easy for the public and makes it easy for us.
Will these shirts that she's taking, if somebody wants vinyl on it, add another $10. And then
We came up with some designs there, and so people can come in and they can just flip through this book, or what they call this, binder,
yeah.
and then they can pick which one they want. This one's cool, I like that.
So you can put tags on these ones too if you want. If you need something to do. And
Alright guys, so the family's gonna drop me off at the airport.
out at all?
Get out. Yeah. Bye. Love you.
I gotta get stuff, or you want me to get it? from
Gotta get that side. Bye, bud.
Bye.
Have fun, alright?
Okay.
You got a baseball game? When?
Next Monday.
Well, Dad be here.
Oh.
Okay, we'll see ya. Bye, buddy.
Bye.
Oh my, that's
Give me 5. Bye.
Bye.
We'll see ya.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, bye, bud.
Good door, bud.
Bye. Love you. See ya. See you on the vlogs. Okay, I'll see ya.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you too. Bye. Alright, so let's get on the plane, you guys, before I'm late.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
Alright guys, so we are in Chicago airport and we are going to get on our flight here in about an hour and make it there by 9:30, 10 p.m. tonight. So this airport is pretty neat. Look at that. Majestic. Man, how's it going, bud?
What's up, man? How was the flight?
Good, not too bad. Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's